out of the three of you, you are the genuine grump.
She is.
I'm very experienced.
You want to see her when
highly experienced. I'm a professional.
Jeremy Clarkson's got nothing on her, honestly. When she checks into a hotel, she's got to have hot food.
No, not hot food. I do get grumpy if the food is not available. I think all of us, if our blood sugar levels drop.
And you can't go to a hotel without a bath?
I do prefer a bath rather than a shower because I'm very short-sighted and I get lost in the shower and I stop to fumble around. But I'm much better tempered now. May I just say that I have succumbed to the jegging, which has improved my mood hugely because I now no longer wearing jeans that are biting into me.
Yeah,
I know what jegging is.
Yeah, absolutely, yes.
He's got 3 women in his house.
Look at the show I did.
He's got his jeggings on, look.
Very nearly.
We're all jegging.
So you're not quite so grumpy?
Well, I think I've learned to be during this tour. I get grumpy about grammar and incorrect usage of words like registry office when people get married. It's a register office, not a registry office. Drives me
In
mental.
the script, I've put registry
She put
office.
registry, and I said, it's not, it's a register office. So I get very annoyed about things like that. And you can notice people being grumpy if they've got PSL. Do you know what that is?
Oh, yes.
PSL is pop sock leg.
Yeah,
Pop
she
sock
hasn't
leg.
got it because she hasn't got a pop sock
It's when
on.
the elastic on a pop
but
sock
I need a
leaves...
wax. Does that get on your nerves?
What, is that when it leaves a mark
It
on your
leaves a
leg?
mark on a fat welt. on a fat part.
Sock, you get a sock. You might get a sock mark.
I probably do get a sock mark.
That's a sign of a grumpy
It
woman.
wouldn't make me grumpy, though.
No.
And
No,
you
well,
don't
you have to be careful with PSL because if you do have the pop sock that's too tight around the fat calf and it's leaving the welt, if you don't get the pop sock off very quickly,
yeah, you can
it
go
will stop
blue.
the oxygen to the brain. So that's why it's a medical grumpy term.
So pop socks could be dangerous.
Pop socks are. What's your pop socks?
You don't strike me as being a grumpy person at all.
Susie, I know you are.
Oh.
Well, I tell you, at the moment, I'm fed up with orchids.
Right.
Why?
I'm fed up because I've got about 15 now, and some of them are about 10 years old, and they haven't bloomed for ages. And they're just bunches of leaves all over the flat that I have to water for an hour
They
every
give you
week.
nothing back. I'm with you on that.
I thought
You wait
Susie
around
said,
for ages.
I thought she said all kids.
All kids.
All
Yeah,
kids, yeah.